Tekmovalni premor se približuje h koncu. Moštvo se neutrudno pripravlja na naporno obdobje, v katerem bo v enem mesecu na sporedu kar 8 tekem. Pospešeno pa se na svoj povratek polnemu treningu pripravlja tudi Marwan Kapha, ki ga je poškodba oddaljila od igranja tekem.
It's very hard for me. It's difficult to watch my friends from outside, and I want to be in the field, but now I am injured, so I believe in my friends to do the good job and to win all these games.
Sredi prvega polčasa tekme proti Aluminiju je Izraelec obsedel na travi. Diagnoza sprva ni bila vzpodbudna, predvidoma 6 tednov premora.
Of course I will remember this date a lot of years because I was in good shape and it stopped me a little bit. But like what you said, the doctor says 6 weeks, but I think it's less because I feel better and it's look like I come back maximum after 3 weeks. I hope that because this injured, it's a lie a little bit because you will feel good and one time it's broken again. So this what we don't want to happen.
Najhujši dnevi so mimo, aktivnosti se v zadnjih dnevih že stopnjujejo.
Every day I make a therapy 2 times per day, and now I start with the gym, in pool also, and we do everything with the physiotherapy to come back how much we can faster.
Veseli pa tudi spoznanje, da je kljub odsotnosti pomembnega člena zvezne vrste moštvo nadaljevalo v odličnem ritmu, še posebej, ker sedaj sledi ključni del sezone, s 6 tekmami v prvenstvu in 2 polfinaloma pokala.
I think will be hard, but I believe in my friends to do the job and to keep these 9 points between us and Olympia. Maybe more, I hope more, but it will be hard because it's a lot of games and hard games, and we play 3 times in this month against Olympia. It's 3 games derby. We want to win all 3 games and to stay the best team in Slovenia.
Moštvo bo 9 točk naskoka na lestvici naslednjič branilo v sredo ob 19:30, ko bo gost v Ljudskem vrtu ekipa Radomelj.
Najboljši na planetu.